this clock has a big hand and a small hand. We already know the small hand tells us the hour, but do you know what this hand does? This long hand is the minute hand. The minute hand tells us how much time has passed after the hour. When telling time, we always look at the hour hand first. On this clock, the hour hand is pointing to the 12, and the minute hand is pointing to the 1. So would we say the time is 12 and 1 minute? I know you might be tempted to say yes, but that is not correct. Each one of these increments are counted by 5s. There are 5 minutes between each of these big numbers. So when the minute hand is at the 1, 5 minutes have passed. So this is 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes, 30 minutes, 35 minutes, 40 minutes, 45 minutes, 50 minutes, 55 minutes, and at the 12, the minutes start back over at 0.
Hi, grade 2. How are you today? I hope you are fine. As you see, our today's lesson is very easy according to the previous lessons. Today, we won't take half past or quarter to or quarter till. No, our today's lesson, we spoke about it before already. As you saw in the previous video, we said that between any two numbers in our clock, we have 5 minutes in order to move from a number to the other. Right, as you see, we have to move 5 minutes. If you remember skipping counting by 5, you'll be able to understand this very well. Here we have, as you see, from 12 till 1, here we have 5 minutes. Here we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. If you remember in the digital here, we write 30 if the minute hand is pointing here to 6. After 30 we have 35, 40, 45, and we spoke before if my minute hand is pointing to 9 here, so I can write here 45 in the digital if you remember. According to the yellow part here, if you see this yellow part, we need to draw a minute hand here which will point to 8. So if I draw it here like this, how many minutes I will write? Excellent, good job, 40. And without counting, if you know that here 9 means 45 minutes, so here in front of 8 it will be 40 minutes. Good job. So here if I need to write the time, as we said before, here we write the hours and here the minutes. According to the minutes, we agreed that it's here 40 minutes. What about the hours? Look at here, your shorthand. It means that it is, yes, good job, 5:40. So if you remember now this shape in front of you, you'll be able to answer any other exercise. Remember the numbers and that we have to skip count by 5 in our analog clock. According to your weekly plan, week 9, on Sunday, you have pages 620 and 621. Let's see here. It takes 5 minutes for the minute hand to move to the next number. You can skip count by 5s to tell the time. As we said before, in order to move from a number to the other one, you have to skip count by 5. Here you have 5, 10, 15, and as we said before, if the minute hand here is pointing to 3, it means 15. 20, so if it's here in front of 4, it means 20. The same, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and so on. So let's see here, till what time is shown here in number 1. In the digital here, we need to write the hours first. Let's see our hand. Yes, good job, it will be 12. According to the minutes, it's very easy. 5, 10, 15, 20, or if you remember that 3 here means 15, so add more 5, it will be 20, so we have 12, 20, very easy. Look at number 2. Who can tell me the time? Don't tell me 4 here, because here if I said 4 and you will tell me in front of 11 here, like this one, in front of 11 here. If you told me 55, yes, very good, 55, but it's not 4:45 because still it's not 4. We still need 5 minutes to make it 4 o'clock. That's why it will be 3:55. Look here, concerning the hour hand here, it's pointing to 4, and the minute hand pointing to 5, which means if we know that here 15, so 4, 20, and 25, or you can start counting from the beginning. We have here 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, so the time now is 4:25. Let's have a look here. Tell what time is shown. Draw the minute hand to show the time. Here in the digital one you have 10:35, and already the hour hand is drawn here in front of 10. Not 10 sharp because it's not 10 o'clock, it's 10:35. That's why here it's after 10 just a little. Concerning the minute hand, who can tell me where can I put it if we count till we reach 35? In front of which number I'll draw it? Yes, excellent, good job, I can hear you. So I will draw it here in front of 7 here to be 35.
The correct time, we need to look at the hour hand first. What number is the small hour hand pointing to? It is at the 2 still, so the hour is 2. Great job. Now how many minutes have passed? Remember to count by increments of 5. Can you tell me what the minutes are? The minutes are 40, so the time is 2:40. Great job, everyone.
Let's have a look here at page 621. Tell what time is shown. Use the analog clock to help you and write the time. Here in number 5, let's see what time is shown here. Concerning the hour hand here, what will I write here? Good job, 3. Concerning the minutes here, how many minutes? You have to skip count by 5. And if you remember here, we said that 10 here means 50. So here my time will be 3:50. I can hear some of you ask me why I can't write here 4. You cannot write 4 because still it's not 4 o'clock. We need 10 minutes to make it 4 o'clock. So how do you want to write it 4:50? No, this will be wrong. Your answer is 3:50. Look at number 6 here. This is very easy. We mentioned before. Good job. It's 6. What does it mean this? 15. Excellent. Look at number 7. Good job. We took it before. This means here 45. Concerning the time, can I write 3? Yes, I will write it 2. 2:45 because still it's not 3 o'clock and we need 15 minutes to make it 3 o'clock. Concerning here, tell what time is shown and also draw the hands to show the time. We need to draw the hands here. Look here, we need to draw 5:45. 5:45. 5:45, it means that we need 15 minutes to make it 6 o'clock. That's why we will draw it the same way like this. Look here. Still it's not 6 o'clock because we need 15 minutes to make it 6 o'clock. So the minute hand will point to 9 like this, and the hour hand will be a little bit away of 6. So this is 5:45 as you see. The second one that we need here in number 9, we need to do 12:35. It's very easy because as for 12, I will make the point, hour hand will point here, not directly also at 12 because it's not only 12, no, we have 12 and 35 minutes, so it will be away after 12 like this, between 12 and 1, and I'll make the long hand point to 7 like this.